What's up, YouTube? It's 72 Review Rider here with you again. Today's a big day. I ordered some Billet wheels about 10 weeks ago, and they finally came today. So I'm super excited. I was like a kid on Christmas Eve, waiting to get these things. So here they are. I did a 22 by 9 in the front, 24 by 15 in the back. Made by Pro Wheels. You see Pro Wheels on ProWheel.com. They are in Norwalk, Norwalk, California. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and of course Google. And they sell on eBay as well. I have been kind of checking them out for a while. I was like, I don't know if I want to go with them, but I mean, they straight up send them the half of the money down. They tell you on the build sheet about 8 to 12 weeks. I actually got mine were done in probably like 9 weeks. It took another week and a half to get here, which is cool, coming from California. But this is the official unboxing. So we're gonna do the 22 first. Check that out, and then save the best for last, which is that big 24 by 15 for the back. All right, and thanks to my beautiful wife, she's filming me today. Thanks, honey.
Hello.
All right, check them out. I'm gonna open this up, see what these things look like. So this is the 22 by 9 for the front. Ooh-wee. Nice. I'm not gonna take the plastic off, but that's a nice wheel. Construction looks professional. Of course, it looks professional, but the construction looks good. Start it up. You see, it has probably about a 2-inch, maybe 2.5-inch lip. These caps are newer. They changed their caps. The caps usually look different, I think. You can see on Billet wheels, they weld the centers in. That looks nice. That weld looks good. Yeah, it looks like a nice wheel. Can't wait to slap these bad boys in. Sit on the ground, so see it. That's a nice looking wheel right there. 22 by 9, like I said before. Trying to get that Pro Twin look. All right, now it's for my favorite, probably my most exciting part is to check out this rear wheel, because it's 24 by 15, 10-inch lip. I wanted to go with a bigger lip, but for whatever reason they couldn't go bigger, but 10 is quite enough. Oh man, look at that. Look at that dish. That bad boy deep. Nice and deep. So I got these. They have another one called the Scorpion, I believe it's called. It doesn't have these ridges in it. I like these ridges in here. It kind of gives a nice dimension to it. Yeah, let's stand this back. That is it. It's gonna be dope on the back of the Riviera. Let's pull this out. Look good, tucked in the back of the boat tail. Let me show you. Groove it. Get that 10-inch lip on that bad boy. Put a small child in there. So yeah, folks, I'm excited. Can't wait to these on the car, but first I have to modify my frame, basically get it back half. And I got a guy named Larry Bennett that's gonna do that for me. He has a few cars in front of me, so gotta wait till he's ready. And hopefully that will be by the spring, early summer. I just wanna maybe take it to good guys. Like y'all saw from my other video that I had a blowout on the highway this past year, a couple months ago in July. But I recently kind of pulled the trim off, cleaned it up real good, and it actually doesn't look terrible. So if I got my framework done and all that, there's no way I'm not gonna be able to mount up and drive a little bit, because I eventually want to change the color, change the interior, all that stuff, but that'll come down the road. But if you look right here, this 405/25/24 is what has to go on those wheels. Pirelli only makes these. Actually, there's another company out there that makes them, but you can only get those other tires from this place in Texas, and they are charging an arm and a leg for one tire. I got 2 fresh tires to go in there, and I might get these mounted up. I don't know. I might wait to get all 4 tires to get them mounted, or I might just mount these rear ones just to see how it looks in that tire. But we'll see. But until next time, I gotta test fit these on the car. They said before you even mount the tires on there, test fit them to make sure they fit, because if you mount the tires on the rims, they're yours, and you gotta try to sell them if they don't fit. So they said try to fit them on before you put tires on them to make sure everything's good. I went ahead and mounted the back one real quick. It's not bolted on, but I got a box under there supporting it. My cockeyed, but yeah. I said I might get the tires put on just to get a little better representation of what it's gonna look like. But see how far it sticks out. That's about 5.5 inches. So I'm gonna have to narrow my rear end, like 5.5, 6 inches, probably 6 inches to make sure it clears that lip good enough. Then like I said, my frame guys move their frame over. I'll back half it to get those to fit up in there real nice. Yeah, that's gonna be sweet on there. Get them tucked. Like you can't really get any kind of visual how it's really gonna look, but tires on there, back half, tucked. You know, I'm definitely gonna have the fender to come at least like tuck the least right here. Tuck that wheel some, maybe even more. But I want to show y'all that real quick. I'm gonna do the front. See how the front's look. All right, be right back. All right, test fit the front. Went right on. Brake clearance is good. Jack making noises and shit. But yeah, I'm about to take this shit. I don't like that shit making noise. Yeah, that's the test fit in the front. Brake clearance is good. I can get a wide angle, but should be good. All right, YouTube, I'll be back at y'all later. Hey, before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.